Hindi pa ba? Ay, naku. Sao ako ng sao. Biro mo, I am talking. I keep on talking. And hindi pa pala na video. Sabi ni, mabuti sabi niya, Aya. Hindi pa na video, auntie. Yung pala, pipindutin ko itong. Ay, karayo. I keep on talking and it is already halfway. 30 minutes na ako nagkaka-uusap. Okay, this is, we will start. This is Auntie Ninang's front garden. Okay, it is already cleaned up a little bit. That is the asocia. It has paint already on the top, on the roof. That is Auntie Nomi's house. And that is the Altis. These are the sampagita fruit. Sampagita. Ah, oh, okay. And now, this is planting rice. Apeng nagtakaw kayo nga. This is planting rice. This is Kuya Apple.
Hello.
And now, I will start from the very beginning because I forgot to turn it on. Pala, mabuti, I saw it. And then, now, ayan. Oh, hello, guys. Oh, ayan. Planting rice. They put water yesterday. And then, now, they are distributing these seedlings, which are about a foot high. Okay, that's Auntie Adelina's house. And that is our orchard. Used to be. That is Hilario Sabado's residence when he was arrived. Okay, there. They are planting rice. Kuya is planting the rice. Okay, that is how to do it. You get a little bit of seedling and put it on the mud. Hopefully it will grow. Wala, hindi vlog ito. Sinasabi ko lang sa anak ko. Yan. Okay, now if you have stayed longer, then you could have planted rice with them. Easy lang naman. Madumi. But it's painful in the lumbar region. For me, I cannot do it anymore. I used to do it when I was young. Okay, and now, Kuya also cleaned up the, what do you call this one? The laundry part of the house, of the yard, and then that is the backyard. Now it is cleaned. Wala nang samok-samok. Okay, and that is angin. Okay, now how will I send it back to you so you can do whatever you want? How will I send? Stop.